Hi, I'm Liz Stewart, and I've been in practice as a structural integrator since 1992. And I did something last week that I do every 4 to 5 years, which is that I go into the cadaver lab. Except this time I went into the cadaver lab with Tom Myers and Todd Garcia and their exceptional team that was with Melanie, Thad, and Alex. And I went there because after 30 years of work, I think it's important to continually refresh my skills. And one of the things that I really value from Cadaver Lab is that I get there and I learn something new that I may not have known before. This time I got an even deeper dive into things like nerves and arteries, and really having the pleasure to talk to Tom and the other SI folks about how we can look at the series through these cadavers and understand why we go to places and when we go to them, the sequencing. And I would have to say though that the biggest takeaway was this week in my practice, that when I placed my hands on my clients, what I could listen to hear, what I could pay attention to hear, and what I knew here really started to come together in a very new way. And it was really, I would say the word is dynamic for me. And most of all, my clients were saying, what's different? What are you doing? And really what it is was that I was feeling into layers and I was listening from a different place within me. So if you haven't been to the lab, I highly encourage it. In fact, I think having continuing education of something regularly each year, if you can swing it, which we can't always do, but if you can, put Cadaver Lab on your list, especially the lab with Tom and Todd here in Boulder. I don't think it is something to miss. So thanks for listening, and I hope you get to go to the lab. Take care. Bye-bye.